In this video, I'll be showing you one of the easiest way to cut a shirt collar pattern. One of the questions that students used to ask me is how do they draft a shirt collar pattern? Now, there are two ways I used to recommend. Is either you use the collar on your shirt, maybe a shirt you already have that you are wearing, you can put that collar, fold it into two, put it on a cardboard like this and trace out both the collar and the under collar. Are you getting me? Another thing you can also do is to adapt a shirt collar pattern. Like I always recommend that students must have at least one shirt collar pattern for the collar and the under collar. And that is what I'm doing in this video. In this video now, the shirt collar that I have here, it is like 16.5 inches long. That is the length. But I need a shirt collar pattern of 15.5. So what I did is that, or 15 rather. So what I did is that I divided 15 into 2 because the cardboard is folded into 2. So I have 7.5. So I marked the 7.5 earlier, then I position the patterns. Look at the way I position the pattern. The excess is outside the cardboard. You can see it at the other edge of the cardboard. The excess is there. So this is the way I'm able to get a 15-inch length collar. You can see it now. By the time I finish cutting this, what I will have here is exactly the 15-inch length that I needed. So I've been able to adapt a collar that is like 16.5 inch long. I've been able to adapt it into 15 inches, which I really needed. It is the same thing that I'm going to apply for the under collar too. You can see I got my 15 inches long shirt collar that I needed. So I'm going to adapt the same thing for the under collar. The under collar pattern that I have is like 18 inches long, but I needed something that is 17 inches. Are you getting me? So I marked 8.5. 17 divided by 2 is 8.5. So it is 8.5 that I marked there. Remember I said that the cardboard is folded into two. So I marked 8.5. See the way I position the under collar on the cardboard. So the excess will be outside the cardboard and I will be able to trace it out very well to get the 17 inches that I needed. You can see it. It's always better to trace with your pencil so it will not, that ink will not stain your cardboard or your color pattern itself. You can easily erase a pencil mark with eraser, but you may not be able to erase ink from your cardboard or your color itself. So you can see the way I'm tracing it out. This is exactly what I needed. The 17 inches that I needed is what I have on the cardboard now. You can see. So this is the easiest way that I even ask you to copy to be able to get your shirt collar pattern. You can see the way I did it. So just go ahead and cut your own collar pattern like that. No stress. You can see it. See the collar on top of it too. And I want you to also use this for any other collar pattern that you need to cut. Make sure you follow my shirt collar videos. Bye bye.